Hey there everyone, welcome back in React.js Instagram project. My name is Slim. In this video tutorial, we're going to set up our Firebase project for Instagram app. So let's start. First of all, you have to go in Firebase and create an account. You can use your Gmail account here. After, just go to console. Before I have here two projects. One, our to-dos, which we created already before project to-do app with React.js, and Instagram. This is what we have here, the demo project. I'm going to create a new project. So Instagram app, continue. Google Analytics, no need to enable. It will take a few seconds. Okay, now continue, and here you can get these bunch of options for Unity 3D, web, Android, and iOS. So definitely we are going with the web. It's a get started by adding Firebase to your app. So definitely we have a this web app. So let's register our app, Instagram app. If you want to choose host on Firebase, you must choose that checkbox. So continue. Okay, now next, if I go to project settings, here we have our SDK snippet of code. One more thing, we have to enable our authentications, and definitely we will use Firestore to create our Instagram posts. So for that one, I have to create a database, and it will be on test mode. Next, it's a Firebase Firestore location. By default is a US Central. I'll keep the same by default and make it enable. So setting up, it will take a few seconds to set up our Firestore database. Now it's done. Next, we have to create here a collection, but I'm not going to create a collection. When we create our posts, that time we will create our collection and documents. So next thing, our images we will store in the storage here, and at the last, authentication. Definitely, as we discussed before, we have a sign in, sign up, and permission for the comments. So for this thing, we have to make authentication. Get start, so authentications, and enable email and password. Save. That's it. Okay, and next step, we have to go click here in this gear icon and select project settings. At the end, choose this config, and I'm going to copy whole or this bunch of line of code of our SDK. Let's go to our Visual Studio Code, and inside source folder, I'm going to create a new file. So firebase.js. And if you remember, in the beginning of this video tutorial series, we install Firebase. If you didn't install, just go to your terminal and run a command npm install Firebase. And one more thing, you must have to install Firebase tools in your system. I install globally in my machine, that's why I'm not going to install again. So from Firebase import import, I confused with the Python Django went here, that's why I type from. So anyhow, import Firebase from Firebase, that's it. And next const and Firebase app, Firebase, this one which we import, dot initialize app, and here we have to paste the code which we copy from our Firebase, means this one. Now next we have to export. So actually we need here our Firestore, authentications and storage for images. Const db Firebase app dot Firestore, and as well we need here authentications auth Firebase app dot auth, and the last we need the storage. Const storage Firebase app dot storage. Now we have to export db and authentications and storage. That's it. Now we set up our Firebase, or you can say we connect our Instagram application with our Firebase project. So next step, go to your app.js, and here we have to import the Firebase database, means db Firestore, this one, and as well authentication. So first step, we have to import the authentications, and auth from Firebase, and this one not a package, it's which we installed as a npm. It's a Firebase, the file which we created now, this one. Okay, in next step we have to, first step, I think it's better if we create a sign up and then sign up and log out, and in next video we'll create a sign in. So I think it's better if we stop this video now, and from this from next video we will create our sign up and logout functionality. So that's it for this video tutorial. See you next one.